Okay, good evening. This is a lesson for DMIA, Drawing and Illustration Fundamentals. Today's topic is observational drawing using form construction. Observational drawing means drawing based on what you see from life and as realistically as possible. And form construction is drawing based on using the basic forms that we have here. Examples of the basic forms are the sphere, the cube, the pyramid, the cone, and the cylinder. Okay, so I believe that anybody who knows how to draw shapes such as the circle, the square, and the triangle may have the ability to also draw and transform them into forms. So the sphere may become, or the circle may become the sphere, the square may become the cube, the triangle may become a pyramid or a cone. And a combination of a circle and a rectangle is we can create a cylinder. Okay, so these very basic forms such as the sphere, the cube, the pyramid, the cone, and the cylinder can be used to create an object from life and using observational drawing as a method for creating lines. Okay, so let me hide this layer and we will start drawing. Okay, so as you can see, this bottom part of a hand sanitizer, which will be our reference, may be represented as a cube. Okay, so what I'm using here is the tablet, a pen tablet, and software, which is Photoshop, and it is a software that tries to recreate the kind of drawing that can also be done using traditional means. Okay, so this is the bottom part of the hand sanitizer, and as you can see over here, this area may be transformed into a pyramid. Okay, so let us just erase that area and we will put that area over here. To do that, we can put a line in the center and extend it upwards to represent the tip of our pyramid. And what we will do is we will connect that to the edges of this cube. Okay, so now we have created a pyramid on top of our cube, and as we can see here, this sphere or this bottle of hand sanitizer, the top portion of the pyramid is kind of sliced off, so we will also slice it off here in our drawing. To do that, we will make a line surrounding our pyramid, and the excess pyramid on top of it can be erased. So that will leave us with an area that we can add this cylinder to. So this area here is actually a cylinder. So this part of the cylinder can be connected to this part of the pyramid. Okay, so we notice that these are actually 3 to 4 layers of different sizes of cylinders. This one is a little bit shorter, and this one over here is kind of longer than the second one, and the topmost part is kind of wider yet thinner. So we can add that on the top of the tall one and just put some thickness to it. And this area here is also a cylinder, but it is smaller, longer, and thinner. So that area can be attached to this part over here. So now we have made an approximation or an observational drawing of a hand sanitizer using only the very basic forms like the cube here, the pyramid, and different sizes and the thickness of the cylinder. Okay, so the next thing that we will do, which will be reserved for another lesson, is how to finalize this drawing using thinner lines and more controlled um, strokes in order to create a more realistic image. Okay, so that's it for today, and thank you so much for listening.